In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get an Uber Eats bag. So what we want to do is just close the app. We will go to our browser and just search or Google search for Uber Eats bag. Now we want to go to this website, Uber Eats shop. Just click on it. And here you will see an option to buy the bag. So if we click on bags, you can see all of the different options that they have for bags and the price. So the branded tote bag here, if we click on it, you can see that it costs $11.79 and you will get to see some more pictures of it. So if you want to buy this, we'll just add this to cart, and then you will obviously just check out with your information. So we're going to click on view cart here, and you can check out. You can use all of these different payment methods here, and that's basically how you buy the Uber Eats bag. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.